Good afternoon, everyone. Is the voice is audible? Era Babu,
Yes,
is the
sir.
voice is audible? Okay, Amma.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Today we'll see only one topic. And COA, what is the syllabus? COA, the syllabus is, I already said, Unit 2 second part microprogrammed control unit and Unit 3 first part central processing unit. Now today we'll start Unit 3 second part, that is pipeline and vector processing. Okay. And today we'll see the first topic. And in this chapter 3, so chapter 3 second part is pipeline and vector processing. Is it okay, all of you? And first topic is nothing but parallel processing. Today we'll see only parallel processing. Okay. And is your exam is completed? Can anyone, when is your exam time? ఎవరైనా చెప్పండి అమ్మా. Roll number 25, Nitin. Manikanta. Is all of you, your exam is completed? Chaitanya, roll number 10. Pawan. Nitish. Okay, we will see the chapter 3 part 2. So that is nothing but pipeline and vector processing. So first one we will see today, first topic only. So I will complete within 15 to 20 minutes. Later we can read for tomorrow's exam, or we can do, if you have any doubts in COA, you can ask that question. Okay. So the first topic is Unit 3 second part is, first topic is parallel processing. Parallel processing is nothing but, okay, so to perform the parallel processing, that means simultaneously you have to execute many number of things, okay, many number of tasks. Because of this, automatically the speed of the computer will be increased, and but the hardware cost will be increased. Okay, if the hardware cost is increased, then automatically it is uh, because the cost is increases means automatically it has a little bit disadvantage. Okay, but the speed will be more. So what is parallel processing? So parallel processing is nothing but, so we will process simultaneous tasks for the purpose of increasing the speed. Okay, then in this you have the multiple functional units. Okay, and in general execution unit will be execute the instructions. But now see in this right side diagram is there, verify this diagram. In this right side diagram, now the functional unit is divided into 8 different parts. Okay, so now the execution unit is divided into 8 different parts. Check చేయడం ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయో, adder, subtractor, integer, multiply, logic unit. Adder, subtractor అంటే we can do addition, subtraction. Integer multiplication we'll do. Then logic unit అంటే we'll do the logic micro operations. Okay, and similarly shift is nothing but shift micro operations. Shift micro operations, those are shift right, shift left, rotate left, all those. Incrementer is nothing but increment by 1. Then all these last three blocks are related to the floating point numbers. That means those are fractional numbers. Okay, so floating point, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, these are the 3 blocks you require. Okay, now always to perform any operation, we will perform operation on the registers. Okay, so we'll perform the operation on the registers. So registers have some data. So on the data, we will perform all these operations. Okay. Now, so all of you understand what is parallel processing? Parallel processing is nothing but simultaneously we will process the tasks. Okay, for increasing the speed of the computer. But automatically here the cost will be increased. Okay, and here the execution unit will be divided into 8 different parts here, and all those are operated in parallel. Okay, and all these units will be operated in parallel. If those are operating in parallel, automatically the speed of the computer will be increased. Okay. Now in this, waiting room లో వస్తూనే ఉన్నారు అందరూ. So here you have to know two important definitions. Those are instruction stream and data stream. What is instruction stream? Instruction stream is nothing but, see, we are fetching the instructions from the memory. Okay. So we will fetch the instructions from the memory is called as instruction stream. So the sequence of instructions read from memory. So the sequence of the instructions read from memory is called as instruction stream. Okay, then what is data stream? Data stream is nothing but the operations performed on the data in the processor is nothing but data stream. So what is instruction stream? The sequence of instructions read from the memory is called as instruction stream, whereas the operation performed on the data in the processor is called as data stream. Okay. Now always we are classifying the computer into four different according to Flyn's classification. We will see what are the different types of processing is there. Okay. What are the different types of computers are there? Okay. So Flyn's classification, this is important one. Flyn's classification is nothing but four types of computers will be there. SISD. SISD ante single instruction stream as single data stream. Okay. Single instruction stream and single data stream. So I will explain that. All these are simple only. SIMD. SIMD ante single instruction stream, multiple data stream. Then MISD, multiple instruction stream and single data stream. Then last one, multiple instruction stream, multiple data stream. Okay. So all of you first, what is the first classification in Flyn's? SISD. SISD ante entamma, it is a single instruction stream and single data stream. Okay. And in SISD, you have only, for your computer, you have one control unit, processor unit and memory unit. Okay. So you have one control unit, one processor unit and one memory unit. Okay. And this is nothing but this is the diagram. Check JND. So what is this diagram? So diagram level check change control unit, processor unit, memory unit. Now what control unit will do? Control unit will fetch the instruction from the memory. IS is nothing but instruction. Okay. Instruction from memory and it will transfer that instruction to PU. Now what PU will do? The processor unit will be execute the instruction by taking the data from the memory. Okay. Now here it is only single processor. So here we can't implement parallel processing. At a time you are performing only one task in SISD computers. Are you understand what I said? SISD is nothing but single instruction stream and single data stream. And here you have only one control unit, one processor unit, and the processor will execute the instruction by taking the data from the memory. At a time, only will execute one instruction. And here parallel processing is not applicable. So we are not getting any parallel processing here because we are performing only one task. Now next one we will see SIMD. SIMD is nothing but you have single instruction, but you have multiple sets of data. Is it okay? Now see the diagram right side. So right side check cheyandi. You have one control unit. So you have one control unit and many processor units. Okay. You have one control unit and you have many processor units. Okay. If you have one control unit and many processor units, and this control unit will be supervise all these processors, and the control unit will fetch the instruction from memory and it will be transferred to the same instruction to all processor units. So control unit will send the same instruction to all processor units, but all these processors are operate on the same instruction, but different sets of data from the memory. DS1 ante one set of data from the memory one set of memory, one set of data from memory 2. Okay. Then one set of data from memory N. Are you understand what is SIMD? SIMD is nothing but single instruction stream and multiple data stream. Here only one control unit and many processor units will be there. The control unit will send the instruction to processor unit. Now the processor units, all processor units will get the same instruction, but it will operate on the different sets of data which is taken from the shared memory. This is called as SIMD. SIMD examples in the Cray1, ILIAC 4. Okay. Then MISD. MISD, what is MISD? Multiple instruction stream and single data stream. Meaning entama. So you will get a number of instructions, but all those instructions will operate on the same data. Okay. Now see here. Diagram chudandi, multiple instruction single data stream lo you have many control units and many processor units. The control units will send the instruction. So all control units will send a unique instruction to processor units. So all processors will get the unique instructions and operate on the same data which is taken from the shared memory. Are you understand what I said? MISD ante ento cheppandamma. What is MISD? All processors will get the unique instruction. All processor units will get the unique instructions or different instructions, but operate on the same data which is taken from the shared memory. Okay. And this is nothing but MISD computers, and these computers will not use anywhere. Okay. This is only for significant. So this is the only significance. Okay. Then last one, which is very important, MIMD. MIMD ante meaning entama, in the name itself it is there. So it is we are getting multiple instructions and we will operate on the multiple sets of data. Okay. So check the first. So many control units will be there. All control units will send a different unique instruction to all processor units. So what is the point I have to say? All processor units will get different instructions and operate on the different sets of data which is shared by shared memory. Okay, here see here processor unit 1, we are getting instruction 1 and it will be operated on the data which is from memory 1. And similarly, processor unit 2 operate on the instruction 2 by taking different set of data from memory 2, which is a shared memory. So this is called as the MIMD computers, and these are very important. So the example is nothing but multi-processor systems and multi-computers. All these are MIMD, where the parallel processing is, and we will do the execution fastly. Okay. And this parallel processing can be implemented in 3 different ways. Those are pipeline processing, vector processing, array processing. So pipeline processing, we'll see arithmetic pipeline, instruction pipeline. Okay. And these are the topics that I will discuss: pipeline, arithmetic pipeline, instruction pipeline. Is it okay? So all of you go through this. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. SISD. So one point Japan SISD and single instruction, single data. So here parallel processing you can't implement. Okay. Next one, SIMD. So here only one control unit, but many processor units will be there. You'll get the single instruction, but operate on the different sets of data from memory. MISD ante multiple instruction will get for processors. At the same time, those will be operated on the same data, which is not used. Okay. And MIMD means all processor units will get the different set of instructions or unique set of instructions operated on the different sets of the data, which is shared by shared memory. Okay. And the parallel processing will be implemented these 3 methods: pipeline processing, vector processing, array processing. In pipeline, we'll see arithmetic pipeline and instruction pipeline. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, if you have in COA subject, if any doubt is there, means you can ask. Okay. And when you have the exam, COA exam, can anyone? When you have exam, Nitish, Saran, and all of you give your attendance, roll number 1 to 65. So whatever last number, so give the attendance, so that I will give attendance for you. Chapandamma. So roll number 1 absent, 6 okay, absent, 12, 19.
Sir, present sir 19.
మీకు ఎగ్జామ్ ఎన్నింటికి?
12 ki sir.
ఓకే, 23.
Yes, sir.
నెక్స్ట్ చెప్పండి. 25 లైన్గా ఉన్నారు కదమ్మా, చెప్పండి మీరే. 25 ఓకే, 28 on there, 29, 31,
Present, sir.
32,
Present, sir.
33, 34,
Present, sir.
37, 40,
Sir, present, sir, 37.
okay, 40, 42, 48, 49,
Present, sir.
51, 52,
Sir, 48 present.
49 present, sir.
మరి చెప్పలే ఇందాక మీరు.
Sir, even 17.
అట్లా కాదమ్మా, మీ నెంబర్ పిలిచినప్పుడు చెప్పండి, తర్వాత చెప్తే ఎట్లా? మీకు వినపడుతుంది, మీరు చెప్పమంటే మీరు చెప్పరు, నేను పిలిచినప్పుడు చెప్పరంటే మీరు చెప్పనప్పుడు రాసుకుంటున్నాను. 53 చివరిలో చెప్పండి అమ్మా, ఎవరైతే చెప్పలేదు. 51 నాట్ దేర్. 52,
Yes, sir.
53, 59, 60,
Yes, sir.
and 11024. Next 1004, and remaining doesn't have any speakers, so all those are absent. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి అమ్మా, ఇందాక ఎవరో ప్రెసెంట్ చెప్పిన వాళ్ళు.
17, sir.
48, sir.
ఒక్కొక్కరు చెప్పండి అమ్మా. 17, నెక్స్ట్ 48.
Yes, sir.
Sir, roll number 20.
ఉండమ్మా, లైన్గా చెప్పండి. రోల్ నెంబర్
20.
20. ఇందాక ఎందుకు చెప్పలేదురా బాబు?
Sir, miss sir, I went to
రోల్ నెంబర్ 20. నెక్స్ట్
49, sir.
49 నోట్ చేసుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఓకే, సో రిమైనింగ్ విల్ బి అబ్సెంట్. ఓకే
Sir, 37 indaka ఒక్క నెంబర్ లేట్ అయింది సార్.
నువ్వు చెప్పావా లేదా ఇందాక?
చెప్పా సార్, మీరు 40 చెప్తున్నప్పుడు 37 చెప్పారు. మైక్ ఆన్ చేసేటప్పుడు.
రాసుకున్నాం. ఓకే ఓకే.
Thank you, sir.
And your exam syllabus is, I already said, COA syllabus is Unit 2 second part, microprogram control unit, and Unit 3 first part, central processing unit. Is the syllabus is clear, and try to inform to your friends also. I think day after day you
Okay,
have the
sir.
COA exam. Wednesday you have exam, no? Wednesday or Thursday? ఎగ్జామ్ ఎప్పుడు ఉందమ్మా? COA వెడ్నెస్డే థర్స్డేనా? ఓకే, మీరు ఎగ్జామ్కి ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కనుక COAలో అడగండి. ఓకే. Still 15 minutes is there. If anyone have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Go through the subject. If you have any difficulty, you can ask. Okay. I'll be there up to 2:45, 2:50. Okay.